Here with Aber Town's defender Ryan Batley. So your views on tonight's game?
Difficult game today with obviously the conditions of the wind, but thought we held quite strong first half. They did have more possession of the ball, but I thought as a whole team we done well, and then was lucky to get a goal with a great individual goal by Mark Jones. Second half it's a bit difficult on our behalf, with obviously they putting pressure on us with corners, and I thought as a back four and as a team we defended very well for the corners. Might have got lucky with one or two of them, may have crossed the line, but it's the ref's decision, not ours.
So Airbus have won all but 2 of their games this season at home, so taking a point away, you must be really thrilled about that.
Oh yeah, definitely. Taking a point when you play away at any team is thrilling, because it's always difficult to go away to clubs and try and get 3 points against them. But I thought altogether overall we all played well, and I thought the point was well deserved.
Hughes spoke to me just now about the away form. It's been a lot better than last year. So is it a lot better as a player's point of view of away form?
Considering that I've just come back from Australia and it's my first season, it's a bit hard to say on that, but regarding this season, our away form has been a bit better than our home form, which is really, we need to work on our home form, I'd say, a bit more, try and make it a fortress and get us to get more 3 points in every home game as we can, and make it difficult for the teams that are travelling to us as they would for us travelling to them.
You've now secured a top 6 place before the split of the season. How pleasing is that to do it with games in hand?
Oh, it's thrilling, definitely. We've already hit our target before the split finished, so it's thrilling for every single one of us. We have our targets set at the start of the season. We've met them already, so we've got to set new targets now. For the second half of the season, hopefully we will meet them with plenty of games left, and we'll set new ones hopefully again.
And finally, Prestata next Sunday. They beat us 2-1. So
3 points from that game. Got to take 3 points there. Every home game we play, we got to look to take 3 points. But considering they beat us away at their ground, it's going to be a tough game, I reckon. They are fighting for relegation, but as you always see in every league, teams that are fighting always seem sometimes come out on top against the teams who are up top. So we've got to just do what we're doing at home, keep winning our battles, and hopefully the result will be a win for Aber.
The club are promoting a family fun day, so it should be a bumper crowd. How it's like running out, there's lots more people there. Must be really good.
It's always better when you get a little bit extra crowd in, all that, and they shout in. I think it just makes the game a bit more uplifting for the players as well. They seem to try a bit harder because they've got more fans there, and I think overall we just hopefully give them a good performance.
So good luck for next week. Thank you.